Estate cars like this don't always get the attention they deserve. But the Auris Touring Sports really makes sense when you need space and comfort together. It's powered by a 1.6 petrol engine paired with a smooth Multidrive S automatic gearbox. So it's easy to drive, relaxed in traffic, and comfortable on longer journeys. Inside, it's all about practicality. You've got heated seats, reversing camera, parking sensors, dual-zone climate control, cruise control, and a really spacious boot that makes family life or travel much easier. It's the kind of car that just takes stress out of driving. Everything feels simple and reliable. With 2 owners and 89,000 miles, it's been well maintained and drives exactly as it should. It comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, free breakdown cover, 3 months warranty included, extendable up to 2 years. Delivery can be arranged nationwide.